Okay, here is the creation journal all finished. I glued this on because I promised you it was going to be a no sew, no stitching journal, so I didn't stitch anything in here. And so here we go. This won't take long because it's a shorter journal than usual. So I have creation, Genesis 1. I've got the day 1. The story is told on tags for this journal. And so there's all these in the beginning, and all the story that's in Genesis is on tags. And then here is the artwork. Day 1, light and darkness, day and night. Day 2 was sky and waters. The water separated and created sky in between. And there's the tag for that. And here's the angel tag for that. And day 2. And day 3 was land and plants. And there's the tag for day 3. And another piece of the scripture about it. Here's the angel tag for day 3. And let's see, oh, that's this day 4. The story of day 4, sun, moon, and stars. And here's the angel tag for day 4. And then day 5, we have the birds and the fish. And there's the scripture for that. Here's another one for day 5, artwork. And there's the angel tag for that. There's the birds. Day 6 is animals and man. And there's the tag that tells the story. And here's some more of the story. And here is some more of the story. And the angel tag for man being created. And part about Eve. And day 7, day that God rested, and the artwork. And we have some more of the scripture. And this is where God was walking with them in the garden. Here's the tag about the 2 trees, tree of life and the tree of knowledge of good and evil. And temptation, story about that. And here. And then were there told to leave the garden. It's expulsion. I can never think what the word would be except in that form. But that's where God had them leave the garden. So that is Genesis 1 through 3. And we are all done. And it is no sew. So if you want to do a journal, if you've never made a journal, this is the easiest journal I've ever had, I've ever designed. So if you have kids that want to do journals, this would be a good one for them to do because there's no sewing or anything. Easy, tells the story of creation, and you're all done. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.